Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are cooking fillets in the air fryer. Typically I would do it on the stove top, but at my parents' condo it gets smoky pretty easily, so we're going to do it in the air fryer today. So go ahead and take your steaks out and let them sit for 10 minutes. You're going to want to pat it dry. I always pat it dry first, and then let them sit out for 10 minutes, then pat them dry again. In the meantime, go ahead and preheat your air fryer at 390 degrees for 2 minutes, and you're going to start seasoning your steak. The one on the left is mine, and the one on the right I'm cooking for Domreese. Since she's pregnant, I'm gonna be cooking it well done, which is a crime, but she was wanting steak, so we did what we did. You're gonna season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then whatever seasoning is left, go ahead and round it all to get the edges of your steak, and make sure you season it on both sides. So after your air fryer is preheated, go ahead and drop your steak in, and we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes, flipping it every 2 minutes. And like I said, it's at the 390-degree mark. So after that 10-minute mark, I went ahead and added 2 slabs of butter on, and I just let it cook down for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds. And then we're gonna let our steak rest anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. I did closer to 10 minutes. I was finishing a baked potato, so I was just kind of waiting, and then I started cooking Domrese's steak. So it sat closer to 10 minutes for this one today. And like I said, typically I would do this on the stove top, but this is just an easier method as well if you're not wanting to kind of cook it on the stove top. So I ate all my steaks to medium rare. I probably would have done this about 90 seconds less to put it on the rare side. The lighting doesn't help, but it was medium rare, but like I said, probably would have gone a little bit less. But yeah, thank you for watching.